Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a flower. It took me about 10 minutes to complete using a 2mm hook. So to get started, we are going to create a magic ring. And to create a magic ring, we are going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the first chain. Now we're going to work 10 single crochets into the magic ring. And now we're going to switch colors to form our petals. To form our petals, we are going to chain 1 and then work a half double crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. On the next stitch, we're working a double crochet and half double crochet into that same stitch. To finish our petal, we are going to slip stitch into the next stitch and continue repeating the same steps until you have 5 petals in total. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.